Everyone, so I'm working from home today. If my dog barks, I apologize in advance. So we're talking about dividing polynomials, and as the instructions say at the top, there are two different ways we could divide polynomials. And the first way we're going to talk about is long division. But before we do that, we need to go back to, what is this, 4th grade? Anyway, we need to remember how to do long division with just numbers. So if we have 4,392 divided by 7, remember you set it up like this. And then you just start dividing. So I'm going to take this very slowly because this is one of those things a lot of people just forget since we have those wonderful calculators. Every step that we do with numbers, we're going to do in a problem like this. So you need to be really good at dividing with just numbers before you can move on to dividing polynomials. So will 7 divide into 4? It won't, so we move to the next number. Will 7 divide into 43? And it will. It will divide into 43 6 times. The next step is always multiply. 6 times 7 is 42. We subtract. 43 minus 42 is 1, and then we bring down the next number. That process you repeat over and over and over. Will 7 divide into 19? It will. It will go 2 times. So you put that over the number you brought down. You have to be very organized. Then you multiply. 2 times 7 is 14. Then we subtract. 19 minus 14 is 5. And then we bring down the 2. Keep repeating that process. Will 7 divide into 52? And it will. It will go 7 times. 7 times 7 is 49. Then we subtract. 52 minus 49 is 3. So back in the 4th grade or wherever it was you learned this, you would put a R3 for the remainder. But we don't do that now, right? Once you get to high school, you make this a fraction. So the quotient, when you divide something, the answer you get is called a quotient. It's going to be 627 and 3/7.